Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open the settings.json file in Visual Studio Code editor. So let's get started. So first of all, what you can do is you can press Control and comma keys on your keyboard. So just press Control and comma key, which is going to open settings window like this. And here by default you can see text editor is selected. You can also select other options from here. So for example, I just select the text editor. Here you can scroll down where you can see edit in settings.json, right? So you will be able to find this option somewhere when you scroll down, or you can directly see this option for code action on save. So I can click on edit in setting.json file, and you can see this setting.json file is opened, right? Also you can see it's not saved, so I can press Ctrl S to save this file, and the setting is saved. Now this setting which is opened here, I have opened this setting for the user, right? There are three options here under the settings which we have opened. You can also open the settings window using this file option and then go to preferences and then click on setting, which is going to also open the same window. So there are three kind of settings here. One is for the user, other is for the workspace, and the next is for your project on which you are working, right? So workspace is where you create all your projects. So a workspace can contain multiple projects. If you just want to change the setting inside this project, which is named calculator, then you can click on this option and then search for the particular setting for that project only, right? So for example, I just want to change the setting in this project and not for all the users. Then I can select the project name, and then I can just search for the settings.json file, right? I can even create a setting.json file, but I can see edit in setting.json, which is going to open the separate settings.json for this particular project. So you can see as soon as you clicked on settings.json, there is a folder which is created automatically inside your project, which is called .vscode, and inside this you have this settings.json file, right? You can save this settings.json file, and all the changes are only applicable for your project. So you need to decide for which option you want to change or open the settings.json. You can change the settings.json for all the users, you can change the settings.json for the workspace, and you can change the settings.json for your particular project. If you want to change the settings.json for your project, .vscode directory will be created inside your project, and there will be a settings.json file, and here you can change the settings. So for example, I want to change the font size of this editor, so I can write editor.fontSize and then save this, and then you can see the font size is changed, right? So I can remove this font size, for example, and save this, and the font size will be changed for just for this project. If you want to change the settings for all the projects and all the users, then you can select the different settings for the user or workspace, right? Now if you want to know the location of all the settings.json file, you can see at the top. For example, this settings.json file is located inside my calculator folder, which is this one, and then there will be VSCode, and then there is this settings.json. If I want to see the user settings location, you can see it's inside my C, user, username, app data, roaming, code, user. So you can see the exact path of the settings.json file, or exact location of the settings.json file at the top. So you can hover over this settings.json file and it's going to give you the location of that file. So this is how you can open the settings.json file. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.